Assalamualaikum. Hope you guys are doing well. This is Ms. Saira Faya Kazi from the Educators Farooq Vilas campus. Today we are going to have a class of English grammar of class 6. Okay, so students, today our topic is noun. As we know that noun is the name of any person, place or thing. We have learned about the nouns. Now heading towards the types of nouns. As you know that there are many types of noun, and the first one is here status noun. Status noun is further divided into common and proper noun. Second type we have the gender noun. The gender noun is divided into two parts, masculine and feminine. Now heading towards our third type, the material nouns. The material noun further divided into two kinds, concrete and abstract. The fourth type for noun is the ownership or the possessive noun. What is the ownership and the possessive noun? So what is possessive noun? Possessive noun is a name that shows the ownership or the possession the identification of the possessive noun or the ownership noun. The identification is it has the noun which ends with an apostrophe s, like this, or the possessive noun. The possessive noun and the apostrophe s not only shows the possession of anything, it also shows the relationship, the advice, or the description. For example, here we have a sentence which says, it is someone's pencil. Here the apostrophe s shows the possession of someone over this pencil. So it is clear that the apostrophe s is using as the possession, as the identification of a possession in this noun. The second one is we have Ahmed's best friend lives in Germany. Ahmed's best friend. Here it shows the relationship that Ahmed is not owning the friend, but he has a friend. It shows the relationship over here. And the third one is The third sentence is Khadija's party was good. Here it is showing the quality of Khadija's party, that it was good. The good was the quality and the party was of Khadija, so it shows the possession of Khadija over this party. As we have learned about the possession noun or the ownership noun, it is said according to the standard English that we use in our daily lives, it is preferred or it is advised that we have to use the apostrophe s or the ownership only for the living things, not being advised or not being preferred for the non-living things. So this is your book, The Grammar Tree of Class 6. Heading towards your work, we have the topic, the possessive noun. Noun form, possessive form, page number 34. First you have to write the date and VL. It shows the video lesson. Your first exercise, exercise A, is rewrite the phrase by using the apostrophe in the correct place. Your first sentence is the flat owned by Mrs. Moin. You have to write this sentence correctly, and the correct sentence is, your correct sentence from the sentence 1 is Mr. Moin's flat. The apostrophe s over here shows the possession of Mr. Moin over this flat. Your second question is the cathedral named after St. Paul's. The correct answer for this is St. Paul's Cathedral. You have to do all the remaining sentences. You have to rewrite all the remaining sentences in your copies. Just write down the first main question and write down the correct answer of all these questions in your copies. One is the mineral resources of Pakistan. It will turn into the Pakistan's mineral resource. The fourth one is the patient of Dr. Richards. It will turn into Dr. Richards' patients. Heading towards the page number 35. Here you have the book work. You have to do this work in your books. Write down the VL. Write down the date over here as you have mentioned on the last page. Your question B, exercise B, is look at the sentences given below and write down the function of the possessive forms of noun italicized in each case: ownership, relationship, quality, part, or description. Your first sentence is the plane's left wing stopped working at the time of the landing. So this is your the italicized sentence. It is mentioned here that it is different from the remaining sentence. The plane's left wing. It is a part of something, so you have to write part of something. Your second one is, have you seen Adil's new mobile phone? It looks very stylish. Your italicized sentence is Adil's new mobile phone. So what is this? This shows the possession of Adil over his new mobile phone. So it shows the possession of the new mobile phone of Adil, but it is describing the description of Adil's new phone. So you have to write the description over this answer. You have to do the same in the remaining sentences. Everyone noticed the speaker's nervousness on stage. The speaker's nervousness. Whatever it is, just write down the answer over here. Same you have to do in all the remaining sentences. After writing the main question, rewrite the phrases by using the apostrophe in the correct form. Only write down the correct answer of all these questions in your copies. You don't have to write these all questions again and again in your copies. Heading towards your next question, question C, on page number 36. As you have given here, the page number 36, exercise C. Use the possessive form of nouns in the place of the italicized phrase in the sentence below. The first one has been done as an example. Here you go, it is. Akmal hurled the book belonging to Sam across the room. Akmal hurled Sam's book. Belonging to Sam turns into Sam's book. Across the room. Here it is, the across the room. Your second one is the jewelry of the princess was stolen. You will turn it into princess jewelry was stolen. As As it is rewritten here as the answer, you have to write all the correct answer of all these questions in your copies, but you don't have to rewrite the questions again and again as you do in your exams. And okay, so your homework is you have to do page number 34 exercise A in your copies, page number 35 exercise B in your books, and page number 36 exercise C in your copy. Hope you have understood the lecture of today. Inshallah, we will meet again soon. Till then, take care. Allah Hafiz.